In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize the gestures of your Shokz OpenDots 2. So you're going to go ahead and open up the Shokz app, and then what you want to do is simply scroll and select the option Gesture Control. From here, it will be split into two categories. You have left and right. So if you want to say, for example, customize the left option, go ahead and select it, and then just tap on the customizations that you can make and just go ahead and customize it to your liking. So say, for example, a single pinch, you can choose to switch it from play pause to, let's say, a voice assistant or something similar. Bear in mind, it will take a couple of seconds for the changes to load every time you select something. And once you do that, it should automatically work. You can also choose to customize the call control features. So you can choose to disable it or to enable it. It is completely up to you. So go ahead and customize any of the options that you have for both the left and right so that you can get the most out of the buds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.